Okay, is this thing recording? Yeah, it is. Alright, guys. We're on this tiny little bench space here. I cleared all the microphones off. I should take maybe this Kenwood one off. It's in our way. I got that meter in today, and it's dead. It don't work. So we're gonna open it up and see what's going on with it. This is not coming off very easily. Why? It's just not my day. None day. Any day is not my day. I don't know. There we go. There we go. This has got to be done soon. I gotta put that the adapter kit or the fan kit on that. All right. Okay, we got. All right, this thing is a little rough, but. And there's the meter right here. Needs some cleaning, and it doesn't do absolutely nothing. You turn this, which is your power, SWR, and then you pull this out to adjust your SWR to where the setting has to be. It does move a little, but I think there's something messed up inside. And if it's, I like this is the texture I'm talking about, that grainy texture. This will clean up really nice. It's really dirty, very dirty, and I don't know what's up with this wire behind it. I don't know if it's a ground or I have no idea what this is about. And this wire, if I do get it going, all this is coming apart. I want it all neat. I don't want all this hacketry garbage in there. It could be this switch could be hanging up. It's got to be all cleaned out. And I got to take this remote box off. So, and there's the serial number. HM102 122 serial number 122-123-604. Yep, 4. I'm sure there's a lot of heathkit nuts out there that knows the code. There's got to be a code in that serial number what year this was made. I think my guess is probably late 69ish, just by looking at the texture of the paint. I love this paint job on it versus this one. Hang on a minute. This one right here. Get this one out. Looks like this has been in the smoker's room. I can tell it's all yellow. That's probably why it doesn't work. It's probably caked with crap. Now look at the finish on this one. It's almost like an aqua blue. And this is the one that has the bashed up meter, and it doesn't work. So we're gonna take this meter out. When I get the other meter I ordered another one. I'm gonna stick that in here, and I'm gonna take this cover off, this plastic, and take the inlay out of there. It's screwed in, as you can see it right there. The screw there, and then over here on this side, you can't see where I'm going, right there. And I could just save this screen or just leave it in this housing. This way here won't lose it. It's like everything else I do, I lose. But I have to put on the back of it, no good, because that plate alone right there is worth saving. But look at the, yeah, I did the paint job a little bit here with the spot stuff. Didn't come out too bad, but this is the nastiest one. And well, you're not gonna see it anyways. I mean, I did the best I could. I did a little touch up on it. It's not that bad. This is just dirty on here. So Yeah, I like the scheme on this one. Yeah, it's a little dirty. This is in more better shape than that other one. But if there's something burnt out in this one, this is the one I got today, and of course it don't work. But I did. Let's see something here. I did zero it out. Get a screwdriver. Oh, I think, yeah, there it is. Yeah, okay, hang on a minute. Let's see if we can get to. Come on. What am I doing wrong? Okay, there we go. See, this meter moves. That's set at 0 right there. There's nothing wrong with this meter, but there's something wrong inside here. We gotta take it apart. I did find some extra 2 screws. They're not the originals, but it's close enough. This one, that one. I think it was that one and that one. No, it was this one and that one. No, wait a minute. Anyways, yeah, they're different screws, but as long as they're the original style, that's all I care about. Keep it original. But yeah, all the screws are in there. And even this case has got that hammer tone finish to it. This is the serial number. Did I do the serial number on this? Yeah, I already did already. But so I got to take that apart. We'll see what's going on. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. Make sure this thing is recording here. Yeah, okay. Alright, here's the meter. We're gonna find out what's going on. It's sticky. It is smoking. So, oh, there goes the remote part. Went. There's something going on inside this. It's got missing screws on it. Yeah, there's something wrong with it. Definitely. There's something been in. Someone's been in there, did some funky crap in this thing. And I have to pull out my manual and see everything is right. This does not look right. Unless he uses it as a field strength meter. I don't know. But now I got to replace all these freaking screws now. I'll try to find screws for the back of this remote box. Yeah, see, it's been in the smoker's house, you can tell. Nasty. But we got to take that apart. Here's the inside. Doesn't look bad, but it has to be sprayed out. I hope I can get this thing running. I hope it's nothing burnt or something they did something foolish in it. And then look at the capacitors or the wafer switches. The wafer switches look very dirty. There's the wafer switch right here. Let me do this for a minute here. Let me take this remote box away. It's in my way. It's got stupid black tape on it. Ugh, I hate this. I hate it when people do this kind of shit. This hacketry shit. Yeah, that thing is definitely needs to be sprayed. I hope that switch is okay. It's got little like green shit on it. Okay, we were just getting this. Let's see what the year of this meter is. Usually it tells you on the meter when it was manufactured. 63237. So it was made in 1963. This meter. Well, somebody built it, and even it has the metal clip in it. Usually the newer ones have the plastic clip with the metal screw through it. And this thing is filthy. Look at that. I gotta take the meter out. Clean up the wiring. Stupid thing is in my way. Get out of there. Okay, there we go. Yeah, this is the code of the meter. It was made in 1963. And this wafer switch back here is very tight. I'm gonna give it a little spritz of a little bit of sprayage. And this thing needs to be rebuilt. There's something fishy going on with this box. There's something that, oh, frig me. Of course, hang on a minute. Stand by. Stand by.